So the question says, what value of x satisfies the equation? And here's the equation, negative 4x minus 2. All of that is being divided by 3, and that it equals negative 6. Okay, so we're trying to find out the value for x that satisfies that. And so what we're going to do is we're going to unravel this equation, and we're going to find that value for x. We're going to do the opposite of all of the operations on both sides. Okay? I'm just going to start right here, and so I'm going to draw a line down the center of the equal sign. Whatever I do on this side, I need to do on this side. And so the first thing that I need to get rid of here is the divide by 3. I want to undo that operation. So to undo a division, you're going to multiply. Okay? So if I have a divide by 3 and I multiply by 3, that cancels it out. And what I'm left with now is negative 4x minus 2, and that equals negative 18. Okay? And so now I'm thinking I'm still trying to get my x by itself. What's my next operation I need to undo? And the next one is to subtract 2. So to undo subtract 2, I'm going to add 2 and add 2. And so minus 2 plus 2 puts us back to 0, and so it cancels that out. And now what we're left with is just this negative 4x. And that equals, here we need to be careful here. We're at negative 18, so we're in the negatives, and we're going to add 2. That means we're going to get closer to the positive sign. So negative 18, and adding 2 to that is going to give us negative 16. One last operation. I have negative 4x, and I've got to divide. This is multiplication. Negative 4 times x, so I've got to undo it by dividing by the negative 4. And negative 4 divided by negative 4 is 1, so it's canceled out. And what we're left with is just x, or 1x, and that equals negative 16 divided by negative 4 gives me a positive 4. Because negative 4 times 4 gives me negative 16. So our value here is going to be 4. There's our answer. But we're going to go back and check, because we don't want to do all that work and then have missed something small. So we're going to go back and check to make sure this works. We're going to put in our calculators negative 4 times, our answer is 4, so if it's negative 4x, well, we're going to use 4 as x, minus 2, all of that is divided by 3, and that should equal negative 6. Okay, so let's do this. We could do it without a calculator. We've got negative 4 times 4 is negative 16. I'm at negative 16. I'm going to take away 2 more. I'm at negative 18. Negative 18 divided by 3 gives me negative 6. This is a true statement. It works. Our answer is 4, so our answer over here is 4.